Welcome friends. In this C language tutorial, we will go through an introduction to C language. The C language. It is currently the most used language for embedded systems. It is a high-level assembly language. C is very portable and compiler exists for virtually every processor. C is very easy to understand and easy to compile. C produces efficient code. It is fairly concise. Now let's go to the history of C language. It was developed between 1969 and 1973 along with Unix. It was developed by Dennis Ritchie. It was designed for systems programming like operating systems, utility programs, compilers, and filters. It was evolved from B, which was developed from BCPL. Now let's go ahead and have a quick look at a Hello World program in C. This is a valid and very small Hello World program written in C language. First, let's go to the preprocessor. Hash include stdio.h means standard IO.header is a preprocessor used to share information among source files. That means a very abstract and popular code is written in stdio.h file, and we can share those codes among various source files. So if we include some header file, we are simply borrowing code from that particular file. Program mostly a collection of function. Here main function is a special entry point because the C compiler knows that we have to start executing the program from the main function. Void is the qualifier which indicates the function does not return anything. Printf is a library function which is not included in the C program, but it was defined in the stdio. It performs the IO operation. Now let's go to the pieces of C. Types and variables, which means definitions of data in memory. Expressions, which are very important. There are arithmetic expressions, logical expressions, assignment in infix notation. We will go through each and every part of this in this tutorial series. Statements. There are sequence of conditional, iteration, and branching instructions. Functions. Functions are group of statements and variables invoked recursively. As we have seen the main function, you'll now have an idea what a function can do for us.